I just got this rig, and I'm curious to know what you folks would do with this. Restore or turn into a parts rig? I just don't know. Let me walk you through it. It's got, I'm obviously this is going to be a receive and incremental tuning mod. You flip it on and you can use the RIT function. Not exactly sure what this does. There's a big hunk of coax that goes down through here, and it attaches. Where does it go? I'm not even sure. And then we've got these funny pink wires going to the relay 2. And what the hell is that? Why is a wire 1 resistor poking up out of the VFO? Obviously that attached somewhere. One of these pink wires maybe? This one's going to ground. I guess the ones with tape don't need to attach. Possibly it went to this. I mean, yeah, don't know. It goes to this light on the front. You know, when I look at a rig for potential restoration, I'm always thinking like, how much am I going to have to cover up what someone else did? Usually in terms of mods. Did they add some knobs I'm going to have to pull out? In this case, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes that will have to be filled, and I do have some hole caps. The back, we've got, well, he explains it's the transmitter phone patch output, and then receiver phone patch. So we know what that is. These are really not complicated mods. One thing that really worries me though is the condition of these boards. Look at that. Not the dust. I mean, I see dust all the time, but look at the boards. There's some kind of oily substance that got on those boards. You can see the tide line right there. It kind of goes up, 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 up. Usually when I see something like that, I'm thinking it came from a rodent, because I've seen these things when they've been attacked by rodents, where the coax has been eaten away by rodents, and when they've been pissed on by rodents. That somehow reminds me of rodent piss. Could I be wrong? Yes. I don't think that's going to clean off. It looks like it's soaked right into the phenol. So, and then you got this rusty pre-selector tuning shaft. Man, I don't know what to do with it. And here's the real dilemma. The damn thing works. I mean, it grieves me. I feel a deep visceral pain turning this into a parts rig. But with those ugly boards, a VFO that's going to need surgery, lots of mods to remove, lots of holes to fill, and the knobs are just in really bad shape. Gosh, I don't know what to do with it. What would you do? Tell me. Tell me in your comments. Restore it or give it a merciful farewell and repurpose all these parts for a more worthy rig. That's kind of where I'm leaning right now, but man, I hate to put a rig to death.